I don't know what's what, but whatever. I'm gonna turn a couple things off, and then that's just gonna have to be it. I hope I turn the right stuff off when I fix this thing. This doorbell button. I don't think I have to turn anything off, but well, I'm detrained, so hope I hope I see y'all next time I see you, or next time I'm supposed to see you. But I got a couple things I'm going to turn off in here just to, try to be a little bit more safe in case that helps. But I saw somewhere that they said that you don't really need to turn off the electricity for that. So I'm just gonna use my my good tools with the rubber on it or whatever. So here we go. Okay, so this is the object of my attention. Aorta. Get that out of there. Get it out. Get it out. Man, I feel like if I turn my hand just a little bit, I'm just gonna put that right there. I feel like if I turn my finger just a little bit, this thing is gonna break or something. Always do this with one hand holding the camera. That's the most efficient way of doing this. Yeah. And if you're gonna do it, make it look awesome, just like this. So when people see it, they'll be like, "Oh my goodness, you did it just like D-Train. Look at that." Okay, this is the moment of truth. Am I gonna electrocute myself?
Oh gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it. Dude. Nope, I didn't die. Didn't die. Alright, good. Not dead. Not dead yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna unscrew those things.
You need me to hold the phone?
If you want, you can do that. You can do that. Alright. This is the bottom. Red. I'm guessing red is hot. Oh my goodness. It just popped out. Okay, that works. Probably got its own little thing. Nope, I didn't die then either. Cool. Awesome. Not dead yet. Aren't you happy I'm not? I'm surviving through all this, baby. Okay, so this right here, this part right here might be the hardest part of this whole process, trying to get this thing.
You want a scissor?
No, I think I can tear shit up or stuff.
Probably can.
Kind of good at tearing up stuff, so just want to tear up the right stuff, you know. Alright, so that made in China turns that way just like this made in China. So I'm going to keep the made in China's turn the same way. However that works, hopefully that...
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter which one is the top and the bottom, right?
I guess not. It says made in China that way, so hopefully they made all the buttons with the made in China turned the correct way, you know. Otherwise, it's their fault for me cross-wiring it the wrong direction. So I'm gonna put that on there, put that through there. It's very scientific the way I'm doing this. I'm just putting that through there like this. Just, yeah, you probably can't see it. I don't want y'all to see my secrets on how I did that. I got the hands of a surgeon. Yeah, got the hands of a surgeon. Now I'm gonna try to put that on there and just screw it in. Yeah. Can you see it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Yep, that looks good. Oh, yeah. I think I lied. I think I said I was going to turn off the electricity. Maybe I should. But I didn't mean to lie. I meant to actually do it, but I didn't. So I kind of forgot. Sometimes forgetting can be a lie. If you forget, I guess something that's important enough, like being electrocuted by a doorbell.
See a light.
Oh, it must work.
Oh my gosh, it works, Dontres. Here.
Wait a minute, you said that like you didn't have confidence that it was gonna work.
No. Make sure it's straight. Make sure it's straight.
I'm just gonna make sure.
No, that's not the way.
I'm just putting it back in the holes that
Oh,
it came
oh.
out of. Let me see. Oops. Yeah.
Good.
Well, look, if it, oh, let's go
Take
in.
your time. Because you know this plastic, you bring it in this plastic.
No, it's not plastic, it's gold. Don't you see how golden it is?
No, I mean this wall. You putting it to that plastic wall.
Oh. I thought you were talking about my gold.
Don't tell the kids. Let's see if they notice.
You know Juliana's gonna, Daniela, both of them are gonna notice. They're gonna come up here. They're like you. You notice if I leave a sock on the floor. Oh, Donches, did you pick up that sock that you left there like 3 years on the
Oh
floor?
my gosh, we have new. And Dontres, the other one didn't have a light.
I think it was
my
supposed to.
God.
It does have a light. It's just it was broke.
Oh.
See that?
Wow.
Yeah. Cool. All right, y'all. Did y'all see all that hard work? See, I'm sweating. I got a nose sweat. Yeah. It's the hard work you have to do when you buy a house and you got a wife who wants things fixed around the house. See?
You wanna keep this?
Yeah. No, we can throw it away. Anyway, peace out. See y'all next time.